Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 10, that is browsing the internet. And in today's video we are going to learn how to set a home page. Means by default Microsoft Edge opens the start page that displays various articles from World Wide Web. Like if I will open this Microsoft Edge, as you can see, then something like this will appear. Means this is some other information, some other article which is from World Wide Web, but we can change this to a specific page. Means like I don't want to open my Microsoft Edge like this. Means I want some other website to be set as my home page. So in today's video we are going to learn how to set the home page. So for that what we need to do is we need to go to the three dots at the right corner, settings and more, or we can directly press Alt plus F. After clicking, then we will get many options, and in that option we will directly go to the settings. After clicking on settings, the settings tab will appear in front of us, and then there will be many options like profile, privacy, search and services, appearance, and on startup. So we will go on startup, and here we will see the three options, and the three options are open a new tab, continue where you left off, and third is open a specific page or pages. So now I am going to choose the third option because I want a google.com to be opening as my home page. So for that we will select open a specific page, and then we will give the address, matlab google.com, whatever the official website is, like www.google.com, that we will write, and we will click on add. After clicking, we will see that this Google HTTP has been added. Means now when you open the Microsoft Edge, then instead of that news page, www.google.com will be appearing. So for that let us see. Make sure this is selected. Now I will close it, and once I will refresh it, and then double click it and open it again, and we will see that instead of that news page, that other article www.google.com is opening as the home page. This is taking a little bit time. So like this we can configure the Edge to open a specific web page in the place of the start page as per our requirement, as per our need. It's not like that you only need to set as www.google.com. You can set any website like as 123greetings.com or Holy Cross official website. Any of the website you can go and choose it. So I guess there is some internet problem due to which the page is not able to load. So this is the page as the startup page as I have opened. So like this we have learned how to set any page as the home page or the startup page. We have already discussed how to set the favorites, web pages, or how to open it. And today we are going to discuss about few of the features, that is reading view and making a web notes. How to go for the reading view. So for that what happens when you open any website, like I am just going to open a website from my favorite list. So I am going to open the e-learning for kids, that website from my favorite list. As you will open, you will see something like this. You will see something like this near the address bar, like reading view, or you can click on Ctrl plus Shift plus R to get the reading view. In reading view, what happens? Here you can see what happens. Microsoft Edge allows us to read the web pages without any distraction. It removes unnecessary elements such as banners, advertisements, and other pop-ups from a web page and allow us to read an article very clearly. So this is how we can read without any distraction from the reading view. Some web pages cannot be opened in reading view. The reading view button is deactivated for such web pages. मतलब कि पहले से reading view activate कर देते हैं. This is the reading view. Here you can see this is the reading view. After reading view, there is making web notes. Means when you open the Google, then you will see something like this. This icon which you can see as it is made. So this is making web notes. Now what happens in web notes? Microsoft Edge allows us to make notes, write or doodle or highlight anything directly on the web page. We can share our notes with others or save the notes in OneNote app or favorites or reading list. And what are the options present in the web notes are? Means when you will click, then you will get something like this, है ना? And after clicking this, we will get a screen like this. The options which are present, and these are the markers. Now what are they? They are pen. First one is pen. Then we have the highlighter. Then we have the eraser. Then we have add a typed note. Then we have a clip. Then here we have save and share, and then we have exit. Now what happens in pen? पेन से क्या करते हैं? We can write and draw in different colors and thickness. उसको different colors और thickness के हिसाब से क्या कर सकते हैं? We can draw it like this. ऐसे करके टिक कर सकते हैं, draw कर सकते हैं. Now what happens in highlight? We can highlight the text like this. ना? Like these texts are being highlighted. Now what happens in eraser? Simply erasing means to remove any line or text or clear the link, है ना? कोई भी चीज को remove करना है, then we will use eraser. Then this one is our typed note. Now what happen in add a typed note is like we can add a note like here you see like this is a note which is being added on the page. ये page का नहीं, इसको हम लोगों ने क्या किया? अलग से add किया है. After that we have a clip. Clip means we can cut it and get a clip of that web page. Then we have save. This is the save. If you want to save that page, then you can click on save, as I have saved this page which you can see, and share. If you want to share this page to your any friend or something like that, then you can share it from this button. And at last we have the exit. Exit means if you want to close the web note option, तो उसको हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? Exit कर सकते हैं. So these are the options and these are the buttons. ये ऐसे आ जाएगा और accordingly we can do the changes from here and then we can exit it. So my dear, thank you for it. We have completed our chapters and all the topics are clear. I hope this chapter would be clear to you all. My dear children,